Hey guys, it's Darian. Thank you for coming to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you my mom's garden. This is a creeping phlox. And this is a blazing star. The bees just love this. These two are salvia, and we're not sure what this one is. This was an orange lily. It's done blooming for the season. And then this is a columbine. This is a lisianthus. It's not blooming yet, but it's getting ready. This is a gomphrena, a blue salvia. This is a Canterbury bell, some marigold, and snapdragons. Some pretty little violas. And another blue salvia. This is a butterfly flower. Some bee balm. This is a cascade butterfly bush. I got this for her earlier this year and it's doing great. I'm gonna have to steal a cutting off of it because mine died. And there's a salvia. And she has this arch with some black-eyed Susan vines. But look at those pretty red ones. These are zinnias. And this is a Wigelia bush. She's got lots of coneflowers. This is another really pretty butterfly bush. There's a little bee friend. This is a few morning glories that have just taken over this obelisk. Look at that pretty red coneflower. There is a blanket flower. It's freaking huge. Some lilies. And this is lantana. Is this the one I started from seed?
Yeah.
Look at that. My hard work really paid off. This is a pumpkin on a stick plant. We're going to try to use at my wedding. And this is a phlox. It's pretty. And this is verbascum. This is a perennial. I started this from seed and it it does really well on first year, so recommend doing that. Some white coneflowers coming into the garden. This is Coreopsis, and this is Moonbeam Coreopsis. We've dug out a bunch of these, so beware if you're planting them. They get huge and they spread. This is Hummingbird Mint or Agastache. It has sweet little yellow flowers, and the shape really attracts the hummingbirds. This is Calendula. These volunteer came up from last year when we planted them. Here's some delphiniums. There's another herbascum. So moving over to the shade garden, she's got some impatiens. Some ditch lilies and impatiens. This is a crocosmia, and it has really interesting blooms. Some hosta. And this is a new area this year. She's got a yellow climbing rose with some impatiens and forget-me-nots, some hosta. This is a holly bush. And this big mama is lilac. And here on the bird feeder pole, she's got some more black-eyed Susans. Over here by the shed, she's got some hollyhock and lily. And these are zinnias. And this is unintentional, but she's got some trumpet vine. The butterflies love this. I might have to steal some of that to propagate. So now we're on the south side of the patio, where in the back layer there's irises, but she planted up this whole area with zinnias, and they look so good. Look at these beautiful orange ones. This is a peony. And then this sapling is a magnolia tree. She's got a sunflower, a little spruce tree. I love how this bird bath garden turned out. These snapdragons just look so pretty. And then there's some celicea and marigolds. she's got this sweet little container with some petunias and geranium and creeping Jenny. And here on the south side of the deck, got some more ditch lilies. They're just in their prime right now. Some sweet little petunias, some speedwell and moonbeam coreopsis, snapdragon. This is a balloon flower. It's not blooming yet, but there's one over here. I planted some of these last year, but they died. She's got some marigolds and mums that are looking great. Some lilies and another lisianthus right there. Some Shasta daisies and coneflower. Here she's got some red hot poker. And another sweet container of petunias. And what's this purple one?
I think that's called angel lace.
I'm
sure.
Not
It's an
sure. Annual, maybe angel lace. A nice little pot of zinnias. And then look at this. This just bloomed. This beautiful hibiscus. It's got lots of buds. Some more petunias. I posted a picture of these on my Instagram, but these are all off of one plant. I don't know. Are you sure that these are on the same stem?
They're on one plant. Yeah.
Okay, I posted these on my Instagram, and they're multicolored off of one stem, which is so interesting. Some iris and another unknown annual. I'll have to look that up. Some perennial baby's breath and that looks like a geranium, but I could be wrong. Rose bush. Some Bordeaux petunia with geranium. And coming to the front of the house, we've got some lilies and zinnias. Speedwell, columbine, and coming over to the north side of the house, some columbine, lily, zinnia, that's a verbascum. So now we're moving into the shade. Big Mama hydrangea. Clematis. The air conditioner is running. Some Japanese painted fern and impatiens. This is lily of the valley. And in this bump out, there's lily of the valley and some rose bushes. And then on the deck, we've got a container of Bordeaux petunias with some black-eyed Susans, some gomphrena, some lantana and petunias, and then in this container there's some begonia and creeping jenny. Look at this one. And the woman who does it all. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour of my mom's garden. This is a place of inspiration for me, and I love helping and just doing whatever I can to help my mom. It's freaking hot today. It's about 100 degrees, so sorry if I'm sweaty, but thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I upload new videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays, so I'll see you guys later.